If you're looking for an easy way to change up the look of your 2014 to 2021 Tundra's front end, or just add some additional protection, then this matte black grille surround and hood bulge overlay kit will appeal to you. Featuring a super easy installation and a cool aggressive look, this is an easy and effective addition to any build. The blacked out look is a classic one, and it looks good on pretty much any truck. The Tundra is also no exception. That big old grille and the hood bulge on these trucks, though, makes it a little tricky to get that look that you're after. However, that's not the case anymore. This kit features a pair of appliques that attach to the front end of your truck and eliminates the chrome or body colored trim around your grille and on the leading edge of the hood. It looks just like the stock pieces, only it's matte black. So if you're going for that blacked out look, or even if you just hate chrome, this is gonna take care of it for you. And you don't have to take off anything. You don't have to replace the grille, you don't have to remove any trim, and you don't have to worry about messing with the functionality of your hood. Everything works exactly like it's supposed to, it just looks a little bit cooler. Now, having this cover on the grille trim and the front of the hood will also add some valuable protection for the front end of your truck, since these pieces will take the hit from any debris and rocks, saving you from some headache. Both pieces are made from ABS plastic, which is known for its lightweight and durability. Everything comes finished right out of the box in this matte black color that you can see, so it's ready to mount up. The finish is also UV and scratch resistant, so it should be able to withstand a lot of abuse out on the road. Now, on the back side of each piece, you'll find some pre-installed double-sided tape for easy installation, and it does come with adhesion promoter too, to make that job a little bit easier, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. Pricing comes in at about $425, which actually makes this one of the more affordable options within the segment. It's a nice looking piece that installs easily and adds some protection to go with its good look. So if you want the look and have some room in your budget, this will make a great addition to your build. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you about 30 minutes to complete. There is no drilling required, and again, it's going to install very easily using that included double-sided tape. You're just going to want to make sure your grille and hood are very clean, and you utilize the included adhesion promoter so you get a really good stick. But we're going to show you how to do that right now, and for that, let's head on out to the shop.
For this install, you will need a solvent-free cleaner and a microfiber towel. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a grille overlay on our Tundra, so let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to need to do is clean our grille trim area. So we've got a solvent-free cleaner. We're going to spray on lightly and then take a microfiber and wipe that off. You want to make sure you do this just to make sure the surface is nice and clean, not only so you don't trap any corrosion underneath and damage your paint, but also so the adhesive sticks better. So we'll just spray this on lightly all the way around our grille. Depending on how dirty your car is, you might not need much. Then once you have this cleaned up, you want to give it a moment to dry before we install our pieces. So we're going to start with our bottom section of our overlay. Now, all of your adhesive strips will have covers over them. So what you want to do first is take those covers and peel those off and discard these. Now you want to do this for all of your adhesive strips along the back side of your piece. So now that we have all of our adhesive covers off, we're going to lay on our first piece. And you want to very carefully start with one side. We're not going to press down on this just yet. We want to get everything lined up. Once you have this set, you can begin pressing down on all of your corners. So now we're going to install our upper overlay piece. Now you want to do the same thing with your adhesive strips. Remove those. And we're going to gently set this in place and line it up. And this one's going to be a little bit more difficult to get on. That's why you definitely don't want to press down too hard on it immediately. Hooking it at the bottom is the better option. Slide this in. And you can press it down into place. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our grille surround and hood bulge overlay and matte black finish for your 14 to 21 Tundra. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tundra, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.